Welcome to the Technical Writing Success Video Overview by Senior Technical Writer Kurt Robbins.
All right, let's just jump right in with this quote. It's from Mati Staniszewski, who's the CEO of the AI audio company ElevenLabs. Now, what's so wild about this is what he's talking about. He's talking about the very AI models his company is famous for. He's saying that in just a few years, his company's biggest advantage is going to become a common commodity, available to pretty much everyone.
And that brings up a really interesting question, doesn't it? If you know your groundbreaking technology is eventually going to be basic stuff, why pour millions of dollars and tons of effort into building it right now? It seems kind of backwards. But this is the central puzzle we're going to unpack, and the answer is basically a playbook for the entire AI industry.
To really get the long game here, we first have to understand the short game. Staniszewski's whole strategy starts by admitting something that's absolutely true today. Having your own high-quality AI models is an incredible advantage.
And this is the crucial part. Right now, today, having a better model isn't just an advantage, it is the advantage. It's the single biggest leap forward a company can make to get ahead of the pack. So even though the long-term view is different, if you want to compete right now, you have to be in the model building business.
So why is that? Well, it's because there are some really tough problems that honestly only a better model can solve. We're talking about complex technical stuff for sure, but also something we've all heard. AI voices that just don't sound quite right. They don't sound good. And at this moment, the only way to really fix those quality issues and build something reliable is to just roll up your sleeves and build it yourself. And this comparison just lays it out perfectly. It shows you the real tension at the heart of the AI world. In the short term, you absolutely have to build the best model to fix problems and get an edge. But you have to do all that work knowing that in the long run, that edge is going to fade away as everyone else catches up. It's like you're in a race against your own success.
So if building a better model is a race against a ticking clock, how do you actually win in the long run? Well, that brings us to the next phase of the plan. It's all about looking beyond a single model and into a future where different AIs work together.
This timeline really paints a clear picture. Today, it's a battle of model quality. Period. But fast forward just a year or two, and the game completely changes. The focus is going to shift to what are called multi-modal or fused approaches. This is the bridge that gets us from where we are now to that future where the core tech is just a given for everyone.
So, what does fused actually mean? It's pretty straightforward, really. It means you stop using different AIs in isolation and start combining them. Imagine creating amazing audio and then fusing it with an AI that generates video, like Google's Veil, or fusing that audio with a large language model to create a truly believable, conversational AI. It's all about making AIs work as a team. And once you get that, ElevenLabs' strategy makes perfect sense. They're not trying to build a fortress around their model. Instead, they're opening the doors. They plan to partner up, work with open-source technology, and combine their specialty, their amazing audio expertise, with other types of models. The goal is to become the best possible ingredient in these new, combined experiences.
Okay, and this brings us to the final, most important piece of the entire puzzle. This is where we figure out where the real, lasting value is going to come from in this age of AI. And the inspiration for it comes from a little company you might have heard of, Apple.
Because here it is. This is the secret. This is the big reveal that solves that whole paradox we started with. In the long run, the magic isn't going to be the AI model itself. It's not about who has the smartest algorithm. The real power, the thing that will last, is how you integrate that AI into a product people actually want and love to use.
And that quote just nails it. Think about Apple. Their genius wasn't just in the hardware or just in the software. It was the seamless, perfect integration of the two that felt like magic. The bet here is that the same thing is about to happen again. The winners won't be the companies with just the best AI, but the ones that build the best product by masterfully weaving AI into it.
So the big takeaway from all of this is that simple formula, product plus AI. That's the magic combination. True long-term value won't come from the raw tech itself. That's going to be a commodity. It's going to come from the unique, compelling, fantastic product you build with that technology. The AI is the ingredient, but the product is the unforgettable meal.
And that leaves us with one final provocative thought to chew on. As AI models start to become common, does that mean every AI company is actually just a product company in disguise? You know, maybe the real race was never about building the smartest machine, but about building the most beloved product.
To keep exploring insights just like these, you should definitely subscribe to the Technical Writing Success newsletter and join the Technical Writing Success group. You can find both on LinkedIn, and they're run by Kurt Robbins.